Wow, check out this view! The sun is just coming up over this stunning house. I can't wait to show you what we have planned for today's vlog. Alright guys, time to pack for the big trip. Got my passport, laptop, and all the gear ready to go. Let's do this. The taxi is here. Time to hit the road. Good morning, thanks for the ride. All right, luggage is packed. Let's hit the road. Airport bound. Ready when you are, buddy. We are currently cruising towards the airport, and check out this insane view of the city and the bridges. This is absolutely epic. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are officially in the Windy City, and the views from this taxi are absolutely insane. Hey everyone, I'm on my way. This is so incredible. I'm visiting India for the very first time. Get ready for adventure. We are almost there. All right, we have arrived. Got my boarding pass. All right, time for security. Wish me luck, everyone. That was easy. Now let's catch that flight. All right, everyone, we are at the gate. Look at that. It is time to board. Here we go, boarding time.
Welcome aboard, sir.
All right, let's find our seat. Perfect, right by the window. Here we go, guys.
Welcome aboard. Please watch the safety demo. Ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened. We will be taking off shortly.
Here we go, dynamic takeoff. Wow, we are actually airborne. Look at the city getting smaller below. Wow, guys, look at those clouds outside. We are flying so high. This is so peaceful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey everyone, we are finally in the air. This flight is absolutely amazing. Check it out, guys. We are getting so close to India. Look at the map. We made it. Yes. Finally. India. My biggest adventure is about to begin. Finally! I made it to India! We made it, everyone, thanks to the amazing crew back there. Walking through the jet bridge now, so excited to start this adventure. See you soon. To the baggage claim, and look, there's my USA bag right there. Wow, that is heavy, but we got it. Let's roll. And just like that, we have the luggage. Look at this amazing suitcase design. The adventure starts now, guys. This is my first step into India. I'm so excited.
Namaste. Namaste. Welcome to India. India is full of life and energy.
Welcome to the room tour. Look at this view. I'm gonna crash on this bed for a sec, then get this luggage unpacked for tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're going to explore India's famous places. Don't miss the next episode. The incredible Taj Mahal to the backwaters of Kerala and the markets of Jaipur.
This market is absolutely buzzing. Look at the colors on this kurta. I have to get it. And these spices smell incredible, guys. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time. Farewell. Have a safe journey home.
Here is your boarding pass, sir. You can proceed to immigration.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, India. I'll definitely come back.
Book.
I'm back home with unforgettable memories. And we are finally home. I can't wait to show you the amazing souvenirs I brought back from India. And that's a wrap on the India vlog. Hitting upload now. India, thank you for the love, amazing food, beautiful places, and unforgettable memories. I'll see you again soon. Until the next adventure. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget